In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram link on your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process that should only take about 5 minutes of your time. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your Instagram account with your Shopify store, helping to connect with your audience more effectively. Let's get started. First, you want to be on your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're here, look towards the left-hand side of the page. There you'll see an option labeled Online Store. Give that a click. It will reveal a few more options directly underneath. These options are your gateway to customizing your shop, so go ahead and explore them if you have time, but for now, let's stay focused. Clicking on Online Store will take you to the Themes page. Here you'll see your active theme displayed at the top of the page. Look for the button that says Customize and click it. This is where you can make changes to the layout and functionality of your store. Once you're in the theme customization area, we need to direct our attention to the left-hand menu. You want to locate theme settings, which is typically found near the bottom of the list. Click on it and you'll see additional settings appear. You're looking for the social media settings, so go ahead and select that option. This is the section where you can manage the links to your various social media accounts. It's important to periodically check this area to ensure all your links are current and active. Now you should see various social media platforms listed. Scroll until you find Instagram. Once you've located it, you'll notice there is a text field where you can add your Instagram link. Carefully type in or paste the URL of your Instagram page here. Make sure it's the correct link to avoid any future issues, as your customers will use this link to connect with your Instagram content. After you've added your link, look towards the upper right hand corner of the page for the Save button. Click on it to save your changes. And there you have it, your Instagram link should now be successfully integrated into your Shopify store. By adding your Instagram link, you've created a bridge between your store and your social media presence. This not only enhances customer engagement, but also helps in building your brand by showcasing a wider range of content and updates. Remember, leveraging all your social media platforms can create a unified and powerful marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify's support team or explore further tutorials that can help you enhance your online store. Happy selling!